Alright, my peoples, I'd like to thank Jordan from Cheddas Auto. I won the door hinge drawing. And we're going to make a little review video, I guess, of the before and after. You can see, let's see here if I get. The door has a lot of play in it. When you open it, you know, of course it drops down. So, to be continued. Alright, this is what I've done so far. I pulled the fender, and I already did the first one. I'm just doing them one at a time. Yeah, they're pretty wore out. This is pretty much the tools I used. There's the old crap. Yep, there you have it. Silky smooth. Overall, great product.